This is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a Scrappy Inspiration YouTube Instagram hop and it's for Christy's Beautiful Life, the 30-day sketches number 6, and that is the sketch on day 6. So what she does is that she has been doing this now. This is the 6th go around. So every couple of months she does 60 or 30 days worth of sketches. And she wanted to see if we all wanted to be included in that little Scrappy Inspiration hop that Maura started 2 years ago. Asked if we wanted to join in, and we picked the days that we wanted. So I just kind of worked around my design team. So you will see me hop in, I think 5 or 6 times. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 days for sure, and I think I may be able to squeeze in another one. So far I'm going to be in on 4, and then obviously everything will be linked down below of who is participating for this particular day, and then also the hashtag that if you want to join in, you certainly can on Instagram. And then I will link also the group that she started. And the way she runs her group is that you have to look for this year's section, which is number 6. And then you have to go into the albums to find this sketch and then place your inspiration on there, so that if anybody ever wants to go back, they can see all of the different types of inspiration for this particular sketch that she decided to pick. Now, this sketch I think is from Pamela Young, and it's very, very simple. And for me, because I am doing my castle trips right now in the month of October and November, depending on how many I get done, and honestly, it all depends on how tired I am looking at my castle pictures, that these work out well because they're simple. A lot of times I don't need much like inspiration on it or that much embellishments or even a story behind it, because ultimately they're just pictures of castles. I do have like information about them that I have attached to some of the layouts, and then, you know, just talking about it. And then plus on the process videos, obviously I've got them there. So there's really not much I have to do. So a lot of the sketches that Christy picks are super duper easy for anybody to use and make simple layouts like this. This one took me from start to finish 24 minutes. So that's how simple this sketch was. I'm already to the point of embellishments, and normally by now I'm barely getting done with the background. So if that tells you anything of how easy this one was to use, it was perfect. Now, the 2 collections that I'm using is Simple Stories Fall Farmyard, which was released last year. And then I do have a Perfect Autumn that's from Echo Park that was released in 2017. These are the only 2 collections I have. I did go on in order because I know I'm not going to have enough to go through this, all of the castles, because I wanted them in fall oriented paper collections. I had to go in and order another Simple Stories collection. So just so that I had something, because I think by the time I get done with at least for sure the 30 days of sketches, I'm going to be out of paper. And probably embellishments, because the stickers, there's not much left on one, and I'm really getting into the midst of everything. So let's see how this plays out. I may be actually not doing as many as I want to and just waiting for next year's collections to come out and then work on them that way, which is fine by me too. So I decided to take the little bits of pieces from this tree that I cut out and placed it in certain spots. Honestly, if you would look in the album, you wouldn't know that they would have come from the tree. You know, obviously on the process video, yes, you saw me cut it from the tree and then place it in certain spots. But if you don't watch my YouTube channels, you wouldn't know that I placed that tree in 3 different spots, which gives me my triangle form. Make sure that you check everybody down below. It'll have everything listed along with the group and all of that. Make sure that you follow along. The one person that definitely will have everybody's links every single day is Mara and Christy. Those two are the ones that I know for sure, that I know of, that are doing all 30 days or all 31 days. We're in October, so all 31 days for that part. So obviously make sure that you use the hashtag 30DS sketch. It'll be linked down below. It's like 30DS sketch something, Christy's Beautiful Life, and then it's number 6 because this is the 6th time she's done it. So yeah, all that'll be linked down below. I hope that you have been enjoying this fall weather. I have been semi-enjoying it. Now that I'm back teaching, it's a little bit different. I'm not able to go out and enjoy it as much as I had the last 6 months of school before school started. Just because, you know, it is what it is. I'm back working now and I'm inside the classroom. I just got done doing what did I get done doing? A STEM lab. It had peanut butter and jelly. If you follow me on my personal social media, you can find me at Miranda Webber 82 on Instagram and on Facebook. And ultimately, you'll find all of the sorts of stuff that I do for teaching and for scrapbook relating. So I am pretty much done here. That's why I didn't do much conversation other than explaining about this, because like I said, this video only took me 22 minutes for this layout. I am here at the end. I am going to come in with splatters from shimmers, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you check out everybody down below along with Christy and the hashtag to get all of the inspiration. I hope that y'all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.